Everyday Pray. Welcome in my studio in France. I hope everyone feels well and healthy. So the first little surprise of the day is a decoration for an entrance of your house. So I made it in a wide circle. I made a strong line with pine cones. Then I covered 2 stars with wool, and I accentuate the movement given by the star with a piece of acrylic, and to give the feeling of something frozen because it's quite cold here, I spray some glue and I add some acrylic snow on the acrylic. And the line is followed by 5 anthuriums. The anthuriums are in water in the Christmas bowl. So I hope you like it, and it's very simple, something you can do easily in your entrance to have a nice effect on a table. And you just need to change the few flowers when they are over. So the subject of the day will be more hanging decoration. Because I travel a lot, so I need to find all the time something available easily in every country. So what is available in every country is a hanger like this. And I work with flat cane. So the idea is to make the shape you want. So your first work is to cover the hanger with the flat cane. And to fix the flat cane, I use some chenille. And I use the green one because the idea is to work with green and brown, but and also the chenille, the color, depending on the color you use, you have a kind of rhythm in your design. So you can choose to have a big contrast with the chenille, or if you don't want to see it at all, you choose exactly the same color of your flat cane. So now you choose your shape. So I choose a triangle upside down, so it's a feeling of a Christmas tree upside down. This is the idea, and you just go up and down through your flat cane, and you fix with the chenille. So very easy, just one turn, one twist, and you cut, so it's quickly done. Of course, depending on the effect you want to do, you can also choose a different color in the flat cane. You will see really a complete different effect depending on the color you use. And what you can use also, if you don't have any flat cane, you can use any kind of branches, dry branches. I've done it also with the stem of the Gypsophila. So the green stem of the Gypsophila is really, really good also to do that. And second level, you twist like this, you twist like this, you fix, you follow the work like this all along, keeping your shape, the shape you want. So at the end, it's quickly done. You have this kind of, you can have this kind of shape. So when your shape is done, it needs to be a little lower. When your shape is done, now you need to find, of course, a nice movement to fix on the top of this shape. So to do that, I use some Pussy Willow Salix. And I suppose a lot of you know the technique, but I'll show you anyway. So first, you take a piece of Salix like this. I hope you can see, and you use some wire, and the second line, you just twist. You just twist like this around the Salix, and you make a line with your Salix. So of course the salix need to be a little fresh. If it's dry salix, you need to spray it with water a night before to do this manipulation. Otherwise it will break when you manipulate it. So mine is really dry. But when I have done it, it was fresh. So after I could bang the salix. So you make several long lines like this, and after with your hands very close together, oops, I can hear the crack, it's very dry, this one. Anyway, you make a movement, and at the end I'll show you, it's a nice effect. Okay, so I made a movement with the salix. I hope you can see, I'm not sure. Okay, it's easier this way. So I made two movements with the salix like this. One this way, one the other way. And I work with Aspidistra, following the line with my Aspidistra. My Aspidistra are also in water in Christmas bowls. And then my poor anterior knees, because it's so cold here, I will not know if they will survive more than 1 hour. So they are here to follow the line. Some stars, some wood star, and some more Christmas bowl, and you have one nice decoration for your entrance to hang on your door. So another option is to use this dry bleach branch. You have them in a lot of places, so any kind of branch is okay. It's quickly done this way because of course it's easier to hide the hanger with this kind of branch. You just fix your branch all along your hanger, and my son is coming, so he makes me laugh. So it's easier this way, and you have another option for a door decoration. So for this door decoration, I made 2 stars with paper, and I had this feeling I want something very soft, so I used some fur, some bowls made with fur, and I had some little orchids and some ribbon and balls. And that's it. I hope you enjoy this decoration, and I hope to see you one day. Bye bye. Take care of you. Bye.